Okay? Together.
Almost there, kids. Our holiday home is very close now.
Yay! Is there a pool, Dad? And is there food?
Yes, a big pole. But first, we rest a little, okay?
I can't wait to see the sea. This will be the best holiday ever.
Wow! Look at the sea! It's so big and beautiful.
We're finally here. Welcome to our holiday home, everyone.
Wow, the pool is so big. The water looks deep.
Don't worry, Peter. We will swim tomorrow.
Okay, Mama. But I'm hungry already. We just got here. I know. But the car ride made me hungry.
The car ride always makes you hungry.
That's my boy. Let's take the bags inside.
Breakfast is ready. Come down, everyone.
Something smells wonderful. That storm last night was so loud, I think the sky was hungry too.
Dad, that's a terrible joke.
It's a little funny.
I'm still hungry. Can I have more, please?
You always say that, Peter.
Because it's always true.
The sun is out. Let's swim before it gets hot.
Great idea, sweetheart. Let me grab my hat and we'll head out.
Come on, everyone. The pool is waiting.
Last one in is a slow turtle.
I love this pool. Look at this view.
It's so deep here. I don't like deep water.
It's okay, Peter. You don't have to swim today. Wait, something is glowing in the water.
Where? I can't see.
Come closer. It's right down there.
Mom! Dad, there's a dolphin in our pool.
A dolphin? Oh my. Be gentle, everyone.
A dolphin? In our pool? How is that even possible?
I told you I heard splashing last night. Poor little thing. Look how he's shaking. The storm last night. A big wave must have carried him in.
He needs a name. Let's call him Splashy.
No, Dad. That's too silly.
What? Splashy is a great name.
L'air. L'air.
Does. It sounds like Lair.
His name is Lair.
Then Lair it is. He's glowing. Did you see that?
When he is happy, he glows. That's amazing.
I have never seen anything like this.
Hey, he got me. Now you're in the water after all.
But where is his mother? Babies don't swim alone.
Don't worry, Lair. We will find your mom. I promise.
A baby dolphin is called a calf. Dolphins use echolocation tags, clicksmahacks, like a sonar.
Sarah, we have a baby dolphin in our pool.
That's amazing. Keep him calm and wet.
Find his family fast, Heian. A sad dolphin gets weak.
We have to help him quickly.
Excuse me. May I tell you something? There is an old legend of Moonlight City. A hidden city of glowing dolphins lives under the bay. Its gate opens only for a brave and kind heart.
Take Lair to the deep water tonight. A storm is coming.
I have a plan. Well, mostly a plan.
I'll keep you safe, Lair.
Wait! I recorded his clicks earlier today.
Listen, did you hear that?
It worked! My silly idea actually worked!
We can't reach them. The water is too rough.
Peter, you don't have to. It's okay. We'll find another way.
But Lear needs his mom, like I need you. Like I need you.
Brave doesn't mean not scared, son. Brave means doing it anyway.
Okay. Together.
Peter reached the water. He gently lifted Lair toward his mother. Mooj held her baby close. Their glows merged into one warm light. And then, something magical happened. Deep below the water, Moonlight City began to rise. Mooj looked at Peter with grateful eyes. She placed something special in his hand. Lair splashed one last time. Then together, they dove into the deep. The storm was gone. A new morning came, calm and golden and still.
Peter, you faced your biggest fear today. I'm so proud of you.
I told you he'd love the water.
And as the light faded, the shell reminded them that even the smallest heart holds the greatest magic of all.
What was the baby dolphin's name? Tell us in the comments.